So now we'll start with exercise 15.1. So exercise 15.1, you can just write down answers in your notebook. Okay. Complete the following statements. Probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E. Not E means P of E bar. Not E means what? P of E bar. P of E bar as complementary probability. Is it right? So you can add one line if possible. P of E bar is read as probability of not E. Not E means E bar it is. In digital domain, if I write a letter and on that if I put a bar, it will be read as not alphabet or alphabet bar. For example, here I have written, E bar. E bar means not E. That means event that is not going to occur. Okay. So what it is then here? P of E plus, correct. P of E bar is equal to how much? They are asking like this. I have dictated that. It is 1. It is 1. Is equal to 1. Next. The probability of an event, that cannot happen is, which cannot occur, its probability will be equal to what? 0, because number of outcomes will be 0. Because number of favorable outcomes will be always equal to 0 in an event which cannot occur at all. It is something like this. I throw a dice on which numbers 1 to 6 are written, and I want to calculate the probability of having outcome 10. Because 10 is not written on the dice, I will never get 10. So number of favorable outcomes, that is number of having 10 as outcome, is 0 there. So 0 by total number of outcomes 6. 0 divided by total number of outcomes 6. That becomes 0. So which cannot occur or which cannot happen, that is always 0. Such an event is called impossible event. Is called as impossible. Which can never happen, that is called as impossible event. Next, the probability of an event that is certain to happen, which is sure to happen, its probability will be equal to always 1. Now say for example, on a dice, I am giving explanation for this, please listen to me. On a dice, on all the 6 faces I will write 5. On all the 6 faces what I will write? I will write 5. If I toss that dice in the air, always the outcome will be 5, irrespective of the face that is at the top. Irrespective of the face that is at the top. So outcome is always 5 there. So that is an event which will surely occur or happen. Which will surely happen. That means number of favorable outcomes is 6 there, because on all 6 faces we are having 5 written. And total number of possible outcomes, that is also equal to 6. So 6 by 6 becomes 1. Certain means sure. Certain means sure. Okay. The probability of an event that is certain to happen is 1. Such an event is called sure event or certain event. Certain means being 100% sure. So you can call it a sure event or certain event. Next, the sum of the probabilities of all the elementary events of an experiment is 1. Have I taught it? Have I taught it? One. Very good. Correct. I taught it. Next, the probability of an event is greater than or equal to probability value minimum will be 0. Probability minimum value will be 0. Maximum value will be equal to 1. So the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to